Want to stay focused and get more work done without constantly checking the time? Windows Clock includes focus sessions, a built-in feature designed to help you organize focused work periods and breaks. In this guide, I'll show you how to use focus sessions in Windows Clock in 2026. First, open the Start menu and search for Clock. Select the Windows Clock app to launch it. From the navigation menu, choose Focus Sessions to get started. Choose how long you want your focus session to last. You can adjust the duration based on the task you're working on. For a longer work session, you can choose a longer period, while shorter sessions can be useful for quick tasks. Focus sessions can also include breaks to help you avoid working continuously for too long. Review the break settings and choose the schedule that works best for you. If you're using Microsoft To Do, you can connect your tasks with focus sessions. Select a task you want to work on and use the session to dedicate your attention to completing it. This can make it easier to stay organized and know exactly what you're working toward. Once everything is ready, click Start Focus Session. Windows Clock will begin the countdown and display your remaining focus time. Stay focused on your selected task until the session ends or your scheduled break begins. You can customize focus session behavior through the available settings. Depending on your Windows version, you may be able to control session preferences, breaks, sounds, and other focus-related options. Adjust these settings to create a workflow that feels comfortable for you. And that's how to use focus sessions in Windows Clock in 2026. By setting focused work periods, organizing breaks, and connecting tasks when available, you can create a simple routine for staying productive. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.